What you're looking at here is the Bookmap trading system, and on top we have the price of AMC stock, and then on the bottom we have this real-time options indicator we've built called the HIRO, and that stands for the hedging impact of real-time options. So what we are doing, that SpotGamma is doing in conjunction with Bookmap, is we're watching all of the options flow, every single options trade that comes in, and we calculate what the estimated hedging impact is for market makers of all of that options flow. In other words, if bullish options flow comes in, this indicator starts to shift up, and if bearish options flow comes in, this indicator starts to shift lower. And we also noted on Twitter this morning that we had one major key level, and that was the 50 strike, and that ties into the 6/11 expiration. That is this Friday's expiration. Now what's interesting here too is that the stock topped out at this price of 60 bucks. Well, what is so interesting about 60? We made a video a little bit earlier on this today, and we just wanted to show what happened, or the synchronicity between large options positions and intraday trading flow. So keep in mind, HIRO picks up that at the $60 level, bearish options flow hits this stock. And with that, the stock comes sliding down. So why 60? We're going to flip over to the Thinkorswim trading application. And what you can see at the top of the screen here is the AMC call volume and put volume. So we have call volume left, put volume right. And what do you notice? Well, here, the largest call volume by far for today is the 6/11 expiration 60 strike call. It's very, very active. The only more active call is the 145. Now the 145 is likely being sold, and we'll explain that in another video. So again, we have this big 60 strike. There's about 75,000 calls so far trading for this upcoming expiration. You'll also note that all of these other higher volume strikes are also tied to the 6/11 expiration, these purple colored boxes, which indicates to us again that this Friday's expiration will be huge for AMC stock. Back to why this is such an important strike. When the stock trades up to this level, it's likely that a lot of hedges have to take place, and a lot of traders are going to roll their position or change their position around because the stock has hit that target level. So that is the fascinating synergy again between this very large 60 area, a bullish stock move that corresponds with bullish options flow, and then right at 60, the stock trades down only as the options volume tops out and turns negative. Again, this is negative flow because this HIRO indicator shifts lower. And then once we sort of hit a bottom in the stock around 2 o'clock, you can see some bullish flow comes back in, a little pop in the stock, and then we've mostly traded sideways after that. So currently we're watching the 50 strike. It is the large gamma strike, which says this is where the bulk of options gamma is for Friday. And this 60 strike, we suspect our data for tomorrow will say 60 is the new key gamma strike. So this means that the indicative range for AMC should shift higher, and any time that the large option level moves from say 60 up is bullish. So we will be reposting our Equity Hub data for everybody to look at. If you're interested in trying out the HIRO system, we've put the links in the description, as well as access to a free trial of our Equity Hub tool, which allows you to look at over 3,500 different names, including GameStop and BlackBerry.